Had to take my DJI Nano out of its little case because I picked up something on Amazon by SmallRig. This is a variable ND filter to use with this device. As you can see right now, I'm sitting under a covered porch area and stuff, so the lighting isn't all that dynamic. But when I walk out there, where it's bright, I'm gonna need something like this. Fresh out of the box, I've never used this particular one, and from what I can tell, we've got the packaging, we've got our little SmallRig wipe cloth so I can clean the screen before I put it on, and SmallRig actually does a really good job with their products. They put it in a hard plastic case so it doesn't get damaged. You can drop this down into your go bags. You can put it in with whatever it is you need to have it in, your purse, your go bag, your camera bag, or whatever, and you're not going to have to worry about damaging it. So let's get this guy opened up. Now, this particular ND filter is a slip-on. I should be able to just slip this guy on. Let me put it all the way over into one, because one is like hardly nothing. So here we go. Not bad, not bad. Slips right on. Cool. Didn't change it much because right now I put it, like I said, in the #1 setting. This has 5 different settings. So let's walk out here and let's take a look at it and actually adjust the variable on it, and so you can see the difference that it makes. And before we go, I want to tell you what I'm shooting in. I'm shooting with everything on this camera right now in auto and in D-Log. So if that gives you some idea. So let's get out there and let's do this real quick. Okay, so here we are, bright sunny day outside. As you can see, it is still set on #1, and let's go ahead and move this to #3 on that. I can tell just by looking in the view monitor that it actually did something, made it look nicer. I'm gonna drop it all the way over to #6, and that's with it on, nope, not in 6, #5. So #1 is pretty much not hardly any ND effect on it. 2, 3, 4, and 5 are basically like using your ND 6, 8, 16, and stuff like that. So this is kind of what it looks like right now, straight on the DJI Nano. And what I like about this particular one is I do not have to unscrew the lens that is on the Nano. I just have to put this one on. It slips over. It's got a slip fit like the ND filters that you would see from like Telesen and stuff like that. SmallRig did a really good job designing this. So I'm gonna take this, get back in the sun again, and I'm gonna move it, the dial. That's all the way at 1. So as you can see right there, this is on 2, and this is on 3, and this is on 4. And finally, that is #5. So check it out. I'll drop a link in the comments below, and talk to you guys later.